y'all, good morning. Happy Wednesday. So my lash is bothering me, or my eye, because it's running. But I'm at work, but I'm on my way to, what is this? Okay, whatever. I'm on my way to Amazon to pick up my packages. I have a wig that I want to do a review on, and I have, what else do I have? A tripod, because I want to record some like swatch videos of like all the polishes that I just purchased. So I had to get a different type of tripod to do it. So I'm on my way to Amazon to pick those up right now. So I wanted to introduce the vlog, because y'all know I just put clips together to make my vlogs, because when I'm at work I really don't do anything like for real that I can record, because it's a lot of personal and confidential information, so I don't really get to record that. But yeah, and your girl got a new set. This is like a snack set. So this is the first one: hot dogs, ice cream, M&Ms. And then this is my other hand, just candy, stuff like that. The lighting is so dark. But yeah, and this is a XX coffin shape. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see my wig, because it's supposed to be like a glueless human hair wig. So I'm super excited to get it. I ordered another one, but it's not gonna be here until Thursday, I think, or Tuesday. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be a couple days before I get it. I think it's Thursday or Friday. It's supposed to be here Friday, so I want to do like separate videos on those wigs, like showing y'all how I install them, because I don't know how to install wigs, but I want to start learning, because I really like wearing wigs, you know. And once the baby get here, I'm not gonna be like braiding my hair, taking time to braid my hair or do my hair much, because I'm really gonna be focused on the baby. And I only have like 2 more weeks, or like a week and a half, so I wanted to go ahead and get some wigs I can just put on and take off, something super simple and easy. So yeah, so I'll just see y'all when I get back in the car with my packages, and I will show y'all the 2 things that I got. Not pretty much nothing. And then I'm going to go back to work, and I'm going to record the polish swatch videos for y'all. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it together like this with the polish swatch video, so that this can have a purpose and a meaning and y'all understand. But I'll just see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I picked up my Amazon package, and I'm gonna just show you the wig, but I'm not like gonna go into details, because I'm gonna do a separate video about the wig, like showing you and putting it on and stuff like that. So it don't make no sense to show y'all that. But the wig came in this package right here. It says Your Beauty 100% human hair wig, and it says 13 by 4 body weight 20-inch wig. So I really like the packaging. It's simple, it states what it is, and it's to the point. And I like this purple color, so this is super cute. So let's just open it up and see how it's looking. When you first open it up, it comes with a little cap. It comes with a pack of 2 caps, and then it comes with the unit. You also get a like elastic head strap to go on there, and it comes with some extra clips, I'm guessing. And that's everything that comes in the bag. So this is the wig right here. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna take it out and show y'all, and then put it back. That's all. And if y'all want to see like how it looks when I put it on and stuff, just make sure y'all be staying tuned for that video. But this is how it looks right here. This is the back of it. I'm not gonna take it out, because I really want to see how it looks when I install it and stuff. But this is the cord that came inside of there. Yeah, and this is the unit right here. Okay, this is how long it is, and this is how it's flowing. I'm in my car, so I wanted to pull up. So this is how it's looking, and I'm super excited to see how it's gonna look on me when I put it on. So yeah, I'll put the link down below for this, but this is how it's looking. So I'm gonna put it back in the bag. Oh my God, and my nails, y'all, just got all cut up in a little hairnet. Maybe the struggle is real. Okay. Ah! Okay. So y'all, let me put it back in here. Because I still wearing this wig I got on that I didn't do a review on. I just found this in my drawer. And this is a synthetic wig. Okay, so that's the first thing. And the next thing I got is a tripod. I saw this on like a girl's nail channel. If I remember what channel it is, because I think I subscribed, I'm going to link it down below. But I got this right here. This is the packaging right here. And this is like a wormy neck phone holder, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Gooseneck bed phone holder. That's the name of it. And let me see if I can open it. That's what you want. Ain't trying to clean those rooms up. You know, for real. When you first open it up, it looks like this. And then it just has the tripod in there like this. In a plastic bag. So you take it out of here, and it comes with some instructions that fail. And then it comes with the tripod. Oh, this is so sturdy, baby. This heavy. It has a little clip right here for you to hold your phone with, which I think is really, really nice. This one was on sale for like $19 because it's black. They have a white one, but it's like $25. And then they have another color too that's like $25. But I really like how sturdy this is. And then it has the part that you hook on your actual desk. Let me see if I can take it off. Okay, so yeah, once I get this off, this part hooks onto your desk. And you're able to do like I was trying to find something so when I do nail videos and stuff, I'm able to turn it how I need to turn it, because my tripod just goes straight up and down. So you can't maneuver it the way you want to actually get a good video of me doing nails or showing nail pictures and things like that. It wasn't working. But with this, because it's so gooseneck, which this is really structured, it's strong, you can just clip it to the desk right here. How do you clip it? I guess you loosen this. I don't know how to clip. Oh, you twist it. There you go. And you can untwist this part and then put it in the desk and then twist this part back to make it tighter or looser. So that's how you do that. And then you just maneuver this how you want, and then it'll be facing down so you can see the desk. You can put your light on there and all things like this. So I think this is really convenient for those who like to show charms, nail techs, anybody who's doing videos on nails. This is what we need. Like, and I'm glad the girl showed me, because this is going to be so good for me. But I'm going to go ahead and go back into work now and record my polish video. So be looking out for that video. And if I do anything else today, I'll make sure to record it. But I don't think I'm doing anything else. But if I do, you know, y'all will be going with me. But I'm going to add this video to another video, because I do have 2 more packages that are supposed to be coming. I have another wig, and I have something else that I purchased, but I forgot what it was. But yeah, I'll just see y'all in the next clip. Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. It's Kiana Michelle, and your girl is checking in. So I'm just coming to you to introduce some polishes that I got off of Amazon. I got them for half off. I will put a link down below if you are interested in trying out polishes and things. Amazon is the place to go because they have super inexpensive polishes. So your girl has to indulge. So these are the fashion gel polishes. They're soak off. They're UV LED gel nail polishes. This is how the container look. There are 12 polishes in here. They are 10 milliliters, so I really like that. This is how they look. They have the numbers on here, but they don't have the color. So I really don't like the fact that they don't have the color on the bottle for you to see. This is how the polish looks. You get a lot of polish for the price you paid for it, which is only $8. You get a full bottle. You can't say that for every polish. But I did put like some clips in here as far as swatching. So I swatched every polish, and I'm gonna just put that in the next clip and show you, put some music over it so you can enjoy me just polishing them. I cured them for 120 seconds, but I didn't put a top coat on them. So this is actually how they look without a top coat. And I only did one layer. So I only did one coat of polish, and they, for the most part, look really, really thick. So I really like that. Some of the colors are a little more thinner than the others, which is okay. I might just have to put more of a coat on there, because like this one right here, this is one coat, but it's not as thick to my liking. But this is how it looks as far as one coat. But then you have this color right here that I put one coat, and it looks pretty thick. And one coat would do. But some of the other ones you would probably need to put 2 coats. It just depends on how dark or light the polish is. Like this one right here, this is a really, really good polish. And it only took one coat. So I really like the polishes overall, and for $8 I think I got my money's worth. Again, I'm going to put the link down below so you can go ahead and purchase them if you want to. I really like the variety of colors that they gave us. They gave us a lot of nude colors, which I really, really like, because I can use those to base my nail before I actually do designs. A variety of nude colors. I'm going to put a picture of how it looks when I purchased it off of Amazon, and I'll put the link down in the description bar if you all are interested in purchasing these polishes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44, and of course my business Instagram, which is Press Nails and Beauty. But until my next video, Kiana Michelle is checking out. Peace.